How to delete YouTube videos from YouTube channel on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube videos from your channel using your mobile device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now once you are here, simply scroll down and tap on your videos. And now here you will see the list of all your uploaded content. Now find the video that you want to delete, and after that tap on the three dots next to the video. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can simply tap on delete. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply again tap on delete. And once you do that, your videos will be permanently removed from your YouTube channel. And that's it. That's how you can delete videos from your YouTube channel on mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.